Welcome to my channel Soft Skills for Smart Analytics. In this episode, I'll show you how to outsmart gold smuggling by combining your domain expertise with Excel's AI, all without writing a single line of code or a complex formula. If you are involved in passenger control, staffing, risk profiling, or morning briefings, this video is for you. I'm using a realistic, simplified dataset of gold smuggling detections, including date, time, route, airport, concealment method, and gold weight. This is the kind of data customs already has, but often doesn't fully exploit. Let's dive in analytics by clicking on the Analyze Data icon. As you can see, Excel AI has produced dozens of reports. In fact, more than 40 here, but let's concentrate on natural language queries. Let's ask the sum of detected gold weight for each concealment methods in each month. AI Excel will instantly create a pivot table, and inserting this will give the infographics which clearly show a shift in the concealment methods. In the early periods, body strap and shoe shows dominated. As detection improves, smugglers gradually move towards electronic cavities. This is not random. It shows how smugglers learn from customs focus and changing behavior accordingly. Static search technique do not work against adaptive smuggling. This pattern cannot be seen in a single report. It requires domain-led questioning. Similarly, if we look at the route dynamics, we'll find that initially smuggling is concentrated on a single dominant route. But as enforcement pressure increases, volume spreads across multiple routes Singapore, Doha, Kuala Lumpur. When one route becomes risky, smugglers don't stop, they redistribute. Risk doesn't disappear, it relocates. Early detections show strong patterns on specific days. Later, those patterns flatten and spread across weekends and evenings. This tells us something important. Smugglers test enforcement routines and officers fatigue. Predictable enforcement creates predictable vulnerabilities. Similarly, by asking natural language question of smuggling pattern in day or night time or morning time, we see smuggling moves from early morning to evening and late nights. Risk follows operational comfort zones. Smugglers choose moments when supervision is thinner and attention is relaxed. This lead to a meta trend. Patterns don't vanish, they mutate. Excel help us see these shifts quickly, but deciding how to respond remains a human responsibility. These tables are not about explaining yesterday. They exist to shape tomorrow's deployment. They'll tell us when to rotate officers, where to concentrate experience, which concealment methods need retraining, when routine briefing must become tactical. This is decision intelligence, not reporting. Excel AI can generate 30 or 40 tables in seconds, but we don't need all of them. One well chosen pivot table, driven by right question, delivers clarity. AI assists, human decide. Customs work is not about reacting to smugglers, it is about staying one step ahead, and that requires thinking before tools. Analysis begins before Excel opens, not after.